Best 3D Printer. Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. Looking to create impressive, large 3D prints without breaking the bank? The Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus is a standout choice for budget-conscious makers. Offering a generous build volume of 15.2 by 12.6 by 12.6 inches, this open-frame FDM 3D printer delivers high-quality prints that rival more expensive machines. In our testing, it successfully produced over 20 objects with consistent, precise detail, making it a reliable option for both beginners and hobbyists. Beginner-friendly yet educational. Perfect for newcomers, the Neptune 4 Plus requires some simple assembly, giving users an insightful look at the printer's inner workings: motors, belts, cables, print bed, extruder, and filament feed. Watching your printer in action is an excellent way to understand the 3D printing process while building confidence with hands-on experience. Affordable hobbyist companion. For those on a budget, this printer supports a wide range of filament types, including PLA, ABS, PTG, nylon, ASA, and TPU, making it versatile for various projects. Its single extruder and one-color printing capabilities simplify operation while still producing large, detailed prints. Key specs. Maximum resolution, 100 microns. Interfaces, USB, Wi-Fi. Dimensions, 25.2 by 21 by 22.8 inches. Weight, 32 pounds. Warranty, 1 year, parts/labor. Whether you're exploring 3D printing for the first time or want a capable, budget-friendly machine for large projects, the Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus delivers exceptional value, ease of use, and outstanding print quality. Be sure to add filament or opt for a bundle to get started right away. Number 2. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. Discover the perfect entry point into 3D printing with the Bambu Lab A1 Mini, an affordable, high-performance printer that makes multicolor creations a breeze. This compact powerhouse delivers high-quality prints at impressive speeds while remaining exceptionally easy to set up and operate. Its innovative add-on module allows you to print with up to 4 different colored filaments, unlocking vibrant, detailed, multicolored designs right out of the box. Ideal for beginners and hobbyists. The A1 Mini comes nearly fully assembled, making the first print experience smooth and hassle-free. Whether you're a beginner eager to explore 3D printing or a budget-conscious hobbyist, this printer offers reliable, problem-free performance. Our tested combo version demonstrated seamless multicolor printing, producing impressive results without any operational headaches. Compact yet capable. Despite its small footprint, 13.7 by 12.4 by 14.4 inches, the A1 Mini features a 70.9 by 70.9 by 70.9 mm build volume, suitable for a wide range of projects. The closed frame design enhances print reliability and temperature control, while support for PLA, PTG, TPU, and PVA filaments ensures versatility. Key specs. Print resolution, 100 microns. Single extruder, 4-color module. Interfaces, Wi-Fi, microSD card. Weight, 12.12 pounds. Warranty, 1 year, parts/labor. Affordable, compact, and capable, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini is a standout choice for anyone seeking a simple, high-quality 3D printing experience with multicolored capabilities, all without exceeding your budget. Number 3. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max. Experience professional-grade resin 3D printing at an affordable price with the Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max. Designed for enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals, this SLA printer delivers fast, precise prints ranging from intricate miniatures to large-scale models. Its advanced automatic resin handling system operates seamlessly behind the scenes, so you can focus on creating rather than cleaning or prepping. Perfect for professionals and creatives. The Mono M7 Max offers exceptional reliability and fine detail output, making it ideal for rapid prototyping, short-run manufacturing, and artistic creations. Professionals will appreciate its robust construction and industrial quality performance, while hobbyists benefit from its intuitive user interface that simplifies resin printing. Remote monitoring capabilities allow you to track prints in real time, whether at home or in a studio. Unmatched precision and performance. Equipped with a powerful light source system, the M7 Max handles calibration files down to 10 microns, ensuring astonishing detail and smooth finishes. Its closed-frame design improves print reliability and resin management, keeping the workspace cleaner and safer. Key specs. Maximum build area, 11.7 by 6.4 by 11.8 inches. Print resolution, 10 microns. Interfaces, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB. Weight, 52.91 pounds. Dimensions, 25.7 by 16.7 by 14.3 inches. Warranty, 1 year, parts/labor. For anyone seeking high-quality resin printing without industrial costs, the Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max combines speed, precision, and advanced resin handling, delivering professional results with minimal hassle. Number 4. Entina Tina2. Dive into the world of 3D printing with the Entina Tina2, an ideal starter printer for beginners, kids, and anyone curious about STEM. Designed with simplicity and ease of use in mind, the Tina2 offers a fun, hands-on learning experience while remaining budget-friendly. Its transparent design allows users to see the printer in action, making setup and operation both educational and engaging. Perfect for beginners and young creators. The Tina2 is especially well-suited for introducing younger users to 3D printing. Our reviewers note that assembly itself provides an excellent learning opportunity, allowing children and newcomers to understand the mechanics behind 3D printing. Its low maximum extruder temperature of 245 degrees Celsius and compact footprint make it safe and approachable, while still capable of printing a variety of toys, figurines, and small household items. Compact, functional, and fun. With a build volume of 120 by 100 by 100 mm, the Tina2 is ideal for small-scale projects. Print times are quick and accessible, with a Benchy completing in just 91 minutes. While it does not offer the high-end precision of larger or more expensive machines, it balances function and affordability for casual, creative use. Key specs. Maximum extruder temperature, 245 degrees Celsius. Measured bed size, 120 by 100 mm. Recommended for PLA and other beginner-friendly filaments. Compact footprint and lightweight design. For families, hobbyists, and budget-conscious creators, the Entina Tina2 provides a safe, easy-to-use, and engaging entry into 3D printing, offering hours of educational and creative fun at an accessible price. Number 5. Flashforge Adventurer 5M. Step into the world of 3D printing with the Flashforge Adventurer 5M, a beginner-friendly printer that makes creating your own 3D models simple, fast, and fun. Designed for newcomers, this fully enclosed printer ensures safer operation and consistent results, whether you're printing toys, prototypes, or household gadgets. Its compact yet capable design is perfect for home, classroom, or small workshop use. Beginner-friendly features. The Adventurer 5M offers an array of easy-to-use features that make plug-and-play printing a reality. The auto-leveling system ensures perfect first layers every time, while the quick-release nozzle allows for hassle-free maintenance and filament changes. Its PEI build plate provides excellent adhesion and easy removal of finished prints. Convenient and connected. With cloud control functionality, you can monitor and manage your prints remotely from your computer or smartphone, giving you flexibility and convenience in every project. Whether you are at home or on the go, you can start, pause, and stop prints with ease. Generous build volume. The printer features a build area of 220 by 220 by 220 mm, large enough to accommodate a variety of projects without taking up too much space. Key specs. Fully enclosed design for safety and stability. Auto-leveling and PEI build plate for reliable prints. Quick-release nozzle for easy maintenance. Cloud control compatible for remote printing. Perfect for beginners and those seeking a stress-free 3D printing experience, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M combines ease of use, reliability, and connectivity in a sleek, compact package, making it the ideal entry point into 3D printing.